Namaste and Shubh Diwali to all. My name is Asir Maraj and I will be your Master of Ceremonies for the evening. This evening, we gather to celebrate one of the biggest festivals observed, Diwali. The Festival of Lights represents the triumph of light over darkness. In our honor, we have with us His Excellency Mr. Arun Kumar Sahu, the High Commissioner of India to Trinidad and Tobago, Mr. Rushdan Pari, Member of Parliament to Mayaro, Mr. Saddam Hussain, Member of Parliament for San Juan, Justice Frank C. Prasad, Dr. Dukinanan Sharma, President of the National Council of Indian Culture, Mr. Chankar Sitaram, President of the Hindi Foundation of Trinidad and Tobago, Mr. Herman Noel, Deputy Mayor of Arima, Ms. Janice Scott, Councillor of Arima, and Mr. Rajiv Bhatia Tripad, Managing Director of New India Assurance. The first item on our agenda will be the lighting of the lamp. I now call to the stage His Excellency Mr. Arun Kumar Sahu, Dr. Devkinandan Sharma, Mr. Rushdan Pari, Mr. Saddam Hussain, and Justice Frank C. Prasad to do us the honor of lighting the lamp. This gesture of lighting of the lamp symbolizes the triumph of good over evil. Next on our agenda will be brief remarks by His Excellency Mr. Arun Kumar Sahu, the High Commissioner of India, Trinidad and Tobago.
Good evening and Shubh Deepavali to all of you. As you know, we are celebrating this festival in a restricted manner due to the pandemic. I had attended a few events in 2019 celebrations which NCIC organizes every year. I have a sense of the scale of your Diwali celebration and your spirit, irrespective of faith and ethnicity. Today's celebration is only a reflection. Last year, we celebrated Diwali in this newly built location of Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Cultural Cooperation for the first time. This is the second year. Considering the interest that all of you have shown, we have decided to make it part of MGICC's annual calendar. And a weekend will be blocked for the Diwali celebrations every year. Competitions on Indian culture, literature, art, music, yoga, Hindi, and Sanskrit will be held before the festivities, and prizes will be awarded to the winners at this event. As I conveyed in my message yesterday, Diwali is an occasion to remind us that life and living are beyond occasional gloom and doom inflicted on human race. I sincerely hope the challenges of the coronavirus pandemic will gradually subside and we will be able to bring the old joy and splendor of the festival next year. Diwali, the festival of lights, is celebrated to commemorate the triumph of good over evil, knowledge over ignorance, and hope over despair. This is the occasion for us to redeem ourselves, reignite the spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the whole world is one family, and extend a hand of compassion and assistance to our fellow travelers. It is also time to remind ourselves of our resilience and work with renewed hope for a better and brighter future. Keeping that spirit in mind, the High Commission extended food assistance to 250 needy families in Trinidad during the pandemic this year. It was small, nevertheless, it was timely. Let me once again on this occasion extend my best wishes to all of you and pray for your well-being and success. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for those kind remarks. The recipient of the Hummingbird Gold Medal for his cultural contribution, Dr. Devkinand Sharma, was a founder of the Diwali Nagar and was a major force in the birth of the National Council of Indian Culture, where he served as president since 2000. His contribution to cultural development spans a number of activities, such as the funding of an Indian orchestra in Derby in 1955. He has been an executive member of the Sanatan Dharma Mahasabha and the National Hindu Youth Organization, and was a co-founder of the St. Patrick Lions Club. Dr. Sharma was trained as a civil engineer and worked for nearly 40 years in that capacity. We welcome on stage Dr. Devkinand Sharma.
Thank you very much. Your Excellency, Sri Arun Kumar Sahu, High Commissioner of India to Trinidad and Tobago, Mrs. Ramya Ajay, new Director of MGICC, distinguished invitees, the Honorable Roshan Pare and Mrs. Pare, the Honorable Saddam Hussain, my friend Justice Frank C. Prasad, Public Relations Officer of the National Council of Indian Culture, Sri Surajdev Mangro, staff of the High Commission and MGICC, ladies and gentlemen, friends all, greetings on this very auspicious occasion of Diwali 2021. Sitaram, Namaskar, and a very good evening to all. I will start with the universal prayer, Om Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorama Amritam Gamaya. O Lord, lead me from untruth to truth, lead me from darkness to light, lead me from death to immortality. I am humbled and delighted to be present at this Diwali event, and also for the honor conferred upon me, and by extension, the organization that I am privileged to lead, the National Council of Indian Culture of Trinidad and Tobago. Throughout the Indian diaspora, Diwali is a major annual event celebrated in many countries in very elaborate fashion. We in the West Indies, and especially in Trinidad and Tobago and Guyana, we celebrate the auspicious event in a very upbeat manner with many thousands of people participating. In Guyana, for instance, Diwali is marked by a spectacular Diwali motorcade which had very humble beginnings, using animal-drawn carts reminiscent of the early days of the Indian indentureship. Over the years, the parade has been transformed into a truly spectacular parade using electricity and other advanced technologies. Just as Guyana has developed a very distinctive Diwali motorcade to celebrate the festival of Diwali, Trinidad and Tobago has since 1986 organized a major celebration which we of the NCIC have named the Diwali Nagar. Diwali Nagar has now become a household name not only in our country, but in other countries of the Western world where East Indians have settled. To think that it all started as a dream of our second president, Hansley Hanuman Singh, eagerly embraced and developed by the then executive of the NCIC, Diwali Nagar became an instant hit, especially amongst the Indo-Trinidadians, later to be embraced by large numbers of our population. This huge annual 9-day festival, Diwali Nagar, is conceptualized, organized, and built each year since its emergence in 1986 by members of the NCIC who give of their labors totally voluntarily. Amazing acts of volunteerism. As I have indicated, volunteerism, it gives me a good feeling to recognize two members of the NCIC who have given yeoman service to the organization in terms of years of service. Bob Ramroop, for one-time trustee, now member of the board of directors, and the longest serving member of the NCIC, having served in excess of 52 years and continuing. The second person, and I've had great reluctance when I was writing this piece, naming this person, as unfortunately he is myself, completing 51 years of service as executive member, now member of the board of directors, the chairman of Diwali Nagar for 20 years, and the current president since the year 2000. Kindly excuse me for my uncouthness. I was just trying to recognize two persons. Who have given in excess of 50 years of voluntary service to the NCIC. And so have all our members, whoever have joined, have always given their service voluntarily. Despite the fact that Tringobadians are about 40% of the population and had retained their cultural practices unnoticed by the general population and by our country's leadership, we still persisted. I recall to this day when TNT celebrated 10 years of independence of Trinidad and Tobago. The NCIC approached the then government for financial assistance to celebrate our independence by staging free concerts throughout the country. We were met by a person who was put in charge of the celebrations. We were advised that the Indo-Trinidadian culture was not recognized as part of the culture of Trinidad and Tobago, and they could not give us any kind of financial aid. However, we continue to plead with him, with this person, explaining to him that we are born members of Trinidad and Tobago. We did not come from anywhere. We were born right here. And we are citizens, true citizens of the country. We managed to confirm in his mind that yes, these people have something. And he decided to donate $10,000 on condition that the country was not to be told about this donation. That's the kind of treatment we got, and I'm talking of quite a lot of years ago, just 10 years after independence. The amazing success of the very first Diwali Nagar at the Mid-Center Mall car park opened the eyes of many with the revelation that there was in our country another very strong and vibrant culture that was till then largely ignored. It took the Diwali festival, around which the NCIC showcased the culture of the Indo-Trinbagonian through its innovative Diwali Nagar, to really show to Trinidad and Tobago the vibrancy of the Indo-Trinidadian culture. Diwali Nagar has since grown in strength, and a large percentage of our population eagerly look forward to taking part in the 9 days of the Nagar. Diwali Nagar has become the center of Diwali celebrations in Trinidad, or as one writer has put it, Diwali Nagar is a hub of Diwali celebrations in the country and perhaps in the Western Hemisphere. What then is Diwali? Diwali or Deepavali is the festival of lights that is closely related to Hindu mythology and practice and goes back many thousands of years. There are many versions of the origin, most going back to antiquity. The version that is most popular in our country is the return of Lord Rama, Mother Sita, and Brother Lakshman to the kingdom of Ayodhya after being in exile for 14 long years, and in the process destroying the evil Ravan. In welcoming Lord Rama, the streets of Ayodhya were lit with thousands and thousands of diyas, and that is what we celebrate in Trinidad and wherever Diwali is celebrated. Whatever the versions of the origins of Diwali, it goes back to the fact that at all times, let me go back with this, please. Whatever the versions of the origins of Diwali, it goes back to the fact that light will at all times overcome darkness, a fact that no one can dispute. Darkness exists in many ways, like hate, greed, evil, jealousy, and so on, and applies to all of us regardless of one's beliefs and practices. The Diwali is not just a religious festival, but one that encompasses the religious, the cultural, the social, and covers the whole of society. The teaching that light will always conquer darkness, which if we follow, will lift our behavior as humans and point to a better world. We of the NCIC, taking cognizance of the fact that the celebration is the nature of the spirit, have always endeavored to ensure that our celebrations are edifying and knowledge-based, so that each year a theme is chosen for in-depth research and then put in exposition through posters and thematic analysis. Friends, I hope that we have all had a wonderful Diwali 2021. I pray to Mahalakshmi Mata that next year things will return to normal and we would all return to life without the stringent restrictions we have had to face these past 2 years. There appears to be only one way to end the scourge that has befallen the entire world, and that is we should all be vaccinated. There have been other pandemics at various times in history, and vaccination was the only sure cure. I therefore make the humble appeal once again for all of us to get fully vaccinated and influence our friends and family to do the same. May I again reiterate how humbled and honored I feel today to express my heartfelt thanks to the Indian High Commission and the Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Cultural Relations for inviting me and giving me this time to address you. I thank you very much. Sitaram.
Thank you, Dr. Sharma, for your words. Another round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. We now move to the much anticipated part of the program, the dance segment. The Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Cultural Cooperation welcomed a new Bharatanatyam dance teacher in October. She has since graced our stage twice and the virtual program, Diwali program of NCIC. We now welcome to the stage Mrs. Shiranjani Umesh.
Namaste. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Happy and prosperous Deepavali to all of you. Deepam Jyoti Parabrahma, Deepam Jyoti Janardana, Deepam Haratu Papami, Sandhya Deepa Namostute. Let us all pray the Lord in the form of light of hope. I present Pushpanjali, an offering of flower to Lord. Any occasion, we pray Lord Mahaganapati for a success of the event. Moving on, I'll be presenting Abhinaya, a mime act, where I'll be enacting or showing you the sequences of Diwali festival, which is celebrated everywhere in the world. So kindly be connected and try to get in touch or guess the action or the sequence which I'll be doing, enacting before you. I welcome you all to join for the last segment by clapping the hands and enjoy this festival. Here I present a bouquet of classical, semi-classical, folk, and light classical. Thank you.
నం త rum ta dhalam kutak teko da de tangir tege 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 ta jum taka jum jum ta takita ta da ta jum tege jum ta tanam ta rum ta takita ta de tangir tege 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 ta tarita ta dhanata ta runata ta dinita ta da jum tanam rum takadim takir tege tangir tege tege ta dim ta tege tege ta jum dim da ta jum nam da ta jum tam takita dhana ta tangir tege tege dim ta tege tege ta jum dim dak takita jum jum takita dak jum ta jum jum takita ta jum tege tege ta jum tarita ta dhana tarita ta tege ta dhana ta jum tarita dhana ta tangir tege ta jum dim da ta jum nam dak takita jum ta dim tum nam ta tangir tege ta di ta dhana ta tege dhana ta junu ta dim ta tarita ta dhana ta di ta dhana ta tangir tege ta ta dim tege ta dim tege ta dim tege ta dim tege ta jum tege ta tangir tege ta
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतङ्गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतङ्गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति
సరి ని స పని పమ ప పని ని స సరి సరి గమ పని ని ప పమ మరి సరి సరి గమ ప గమ పని ని పమ గమ పమ పని స మ ది సని పమ పని ప సని ప మరి సరి గమ పని పమ పని మ పని ని సని సరి స మ ది సని పమ పని స సని ని స ది సని స మ ది సరి స సని సని పమ గమ పని సని సరి స స స సని ని సరి ది స సని స మ ది సని పమ పని సని సరి సని మరి సని ప మరి సని ప दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हूँ, तारों की बारातें हूँ,
दूरी की न बातें हो, बस मुलाकातें हो।
सबको यही देती संदेशा। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे।
हाथों में लेकर पूजा की थाली, लक्ष्मी जी की आरती उतारे।
माथे पे अपने तिलक लगाए, आज अपने भाग हम सवारे।
हमसे धन की देवी रूठे ना कभी,
डोर सुख चैन की टूटे ना कभी।
सबको यही देती संदेशा। दीपावली अनेक संतोष से ತಂದದೆ, होली सुनाई निरे तेरे कौन दीपावली वंदने।
आज की ये रात करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हो, तारों की बारातें हो, दूरी की न बातें हो, बस मुलाकातें हो।
सबको यही देती संदेशा।
दीपावली fills the streets with happiness and everything. A crowd like the kites and like दीपावली is here today.
दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे।
What a mesmerizing performance. Another round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. The Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Cultural Cooperation hosted a dance competition titled UNAR 2021 earlier this month. The winners of this competition have been invited to perform this evening. I will now like to call to the stage the first place winner of the solo category, Ms. Priya Prasad. She will be performing a classical dance entitled Tarana, composed by Bageshwari Vaz in the Kathak style. This classical song provides a glimpse into the majesty and depth of how rhythm, melody, and movement come together to make dance a complete art. Through complex footwork, intricate geometric shapes, and rapid turns, she presents Tarana.
आ
hey ta 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 hey
Amazing performance by our first place winner in the solo category. Another round of applause, please. Placing first in the group category of the UNAR 2021 dance competition is Simone's Dance Academy. Choreographed by Simone Pidesi, this traditional film depicts the strength of a woman's love for her beloved. She yearns for her love and sings in ecstasy as he returns after 10 years. She sings, "The connection of our love, I haven't let it extinguish. I've kept the lamp of my love aflamed after all of these years. Not even the severest of storms can out it. The dancers wear red, depicting the color of love, and the rainbow colors in their skirts depict unity and strength in love." A round of applause to welcome them, please.
da
पिया अब आजा रे मेरे पिया हो मेरे पिया अब आजा रे मेरे पिया किस देश चल रहा मेरा रोम 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 और जिया अब आजा रे मेरे पिया हो मेरे पिया अब आजा रे मेरे पिया फासला था दूरी थी था जुदाई का आलम इंतजार में नजरें थी और तुम वहाँ थे तुम वहाँ थे तुम वहाँ थे झिलमिलाते जगमगाते खुशियों में झूमकर और यहाँ जल रहे थे हम और यहाँ जल रहे थे हम फिर से बादल गरजा है गरज गरज के बरसा है झूम के तूफान आया है पर तुझको बुझा नहीं पाया है ओ पिया ये दिया चाहे जितना सताए तुझे ये सावन ये हवा और ये बिजलियाँ मेरे पिया अब आजा रे मेरे पिया हो मेरे पिया अब आजा रे मेरे पिया ओ ये पगली दीवानी दुनिया से है ये अनजानी झोंका हवा का आएगा और इसका पिया संग लाएगा हो पिया अब आजा रे मेरे पिया हो पिया ये दिया ये पिया पिया
Very beautiful performance by our first place winner in the group category, Simone Dance Academy. Placing second in the solo category of the UNAR 2021 dance competition is Christian Rohit Samuel of Sagama Foundation. Christian will be performing a Bharatanatyam piece titled Jataswaram. The Jataswaram is a musical item found in Carnatic music. The name of the Jataswaram is assigned based on the raga used. As a Bharatanatyam expression, the dancer executes various combinations of steps. This particular Jataswaram is set to Ragam Vasanta and Talam Rupakam. It is a choreography of Srimati Rukmini Devi Arundale. Please welcome Christian Samuel.
sa ni dha ma ga re ni sa ga ma da dha ni sa ni dha ma ga re ni sa ga
Galam kutakati kutakataru tom ta jam tari tai tajam tatarum
ಧನಿ ಸಾ ನಿ ಧ ಮ ಗ ರೇ ನಿ ಸ ಗ ಮ ರ ಧನಿ ಸಾ ನಿ ಧ ಮ ಗ ರೇ ನಿ ಸ ಗ ಮ ರ ಧನಿ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಧನಿ ಧ ಮ ಗ ಮ ನಿ ಧ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಸ ನಿ ಧ ನಿ ಸ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಸ ಗ ಮ ಗ ಧನಿ ಸರಿ ನಿ ಸ ಗ ನಿ ಮ ಗ ಗ ಮ ಗ ನಿ ಸಾ ನಿ ಧ ಮ ಗ ರೇ ನಿ ಸ ಗ ಮ ರ ಧನಿ
Incredible performance by our second place winner in the solo category, Christian Samuel. Another round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. Placing second in the group category of the UNAR 2021 dance competition is Pratibha Arts Dance Company. Pratibha Arts Dance Company is the brainchild of Guru Srimati Pooja Malhotra. Its aim is to promote the rich artistic and cultural heritage of India through performances of Indian dance and storytelling, and to ensure the proliferation of the art form through the Indian diaspora in Trinidad and Tobago. Today's performance is titled Tarana. It is a rhythmic Kathak dance in which the beauty of rhythm is explained through various movements and combinations of rhythmic phrases. Choreographed by Guru Srimati Pooja Malhotra, we welcome to the stage Pratibha Arts Dance Company. Lovely performance by our second place winner, Pratibha Arts Dance Company. Another round of applause, please. Continuing with our agenda is the awarding of the prizes to the winners of the UNAR 2021 dance competition. We would like to call His Excellency Mr. Arun Kumar Sahu to the stage to please award the winners. Starting with the second place in the solo category, we would like to call Mr. Christian Samuel. Winning first place in the solo category is Ms. Priya Prasad. Placing second in the group category is Pratibha Arts Dance Company. Winning first place in the group category is Simone Dance Academy. Thank you to all the participants of the UNAR 2021 dance competition and a hearty congratulations to all the winners. As more entertainment comes your way, our next item will be performed by the 26-year-old granddaughter of the late local classical singer Ustad Jamir Hussain. She began Indian classical vocal training at the tender age of 6 at the Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Cultural Cooperation under the guidance of Ustad Aftab A. Khan, Dr. Rasika Ekbot, and Dr. Ruby Malik. She is known for bhajans, qasida, ghazal, Indian folk, and film renditions. However, since the passing of her grandfather, she has been learning and practicing the art of local classical singing to honor his legacy. We would now enjoy beautiful renditions by Ms. Karishma Dautal.
नैना मिलाई के नैना मिलाई के नैना मिलाई के नैना मिलाई के चाप तिलक सब छीन रे मुझसे नैना मिलाई के चाप तिलक सब छीन रे मुझसे नैना मिलाई के 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 चाप तिलक सब छीन रे मुझसे नैना मिलाई के चाप तिलक सब छीन रे मुझसे नैना मिलाई के बल बल जाओ तोरे रंग रजवा बल बल जाओ बल बल जाओ तोरे रंग रजवा तो बल बल जाओ तोरे रंग रजवा तोरे रंग हाँ तोरे रंग रजवा हाँ बल बल जाओ तोरे रंग रजवा तोरे रंग रजवा अपने से रंगती रे मोसे नैना मिलाई के चाप तिलक सब छीन रे मोसे नैना मिलाई के चाप तिलक सब छीन रे मोसे नैना मिलाई के खुसरो नी जा खुसरो नी जा खुसरो नी जाम के खुसरोनी जाम के बल बल जाइए खुसरोनी जाम के बल बल जाइए बल बल हाँ बल बल जाइए चाप तिलक सब छीन रे मुझसे नैना मिलाई के चाप तिलक सब छीन रे मुझसे नैना मिलाई के चाप तिलक सब छीन रे मुझसे नैना मिलाई के
कन्हैया ओ, ओ, रखो राम है कन्हैया ओ नंद बाबा जी को चया बाबू नाम है कन्हैया ओ नंद बाबा जी को चया बाबू नाम है कन्हैया 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 रे ओ नंद बाबा जी को चया बाबू नाम है कन्हैया 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 रे प्रभु गेंद को पिलया आयो आयो देख लया कन्हैया कन्हैया रे ओ, हरे कन्हैया कन्हैया रे ओ नंद बाबा जी को चया बाबू नाम है कन्हैया 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 रे काहे की गेंद है काहे का बला काहे में धोखे तो लागे तो चला काहे की गेंद है काहे का बला गेंद में काहे को लागे तो चला रे काहे की गेंद है काहे का बला गेंद में काहे तो लागे तो चला अरे काहे की गेंद है काहे का बला गेंद में काहे तो लागे तो चला काहे की गेंद है कान्हा रे काहे की गेंद है काहे का बला गेंद में काहे को लागे तो चला काहे की गेंद है काहे का बला काहे की गेंद को लागे तो चला बाल बाल सब खेलन आई बाल बाल सब खेलन आई हर के ताता चया कन्हैया हो गोरा कन्हैया कन्हैया रे ओ नंद बाबा जी को चया बाबू नाम है कन्हैया 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 रे सुभर शाम ये नीला गगन है भर के दादा छैया कन्हैया ओ गोरा कन्हैया कन्हैया रे ओ हरे कन्हैया कन्हैया रे ओ नंद बाबा जी को छैया बबुना है कन्हैया 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 रे ओ नंद बाबा जी को छैया बबुना है कन्हैया 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 रे प्रभु गेंद गोपी लैया आयो आयो देख लैया कन्हैया कन्हैया रे हरे कन्हैया कन्हैया रे ओरे कन्हैया कन्हैया रे हरे कन्हैया कन्हैया रे कान्हा रे
Thank you so much.
What a wonderful performance by Ms. Daudzal. Another round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen. And for our final item, we would like to welcome MJICC's Fusion Band to the stage. This fusion band started with the beats of the tabla, merged with the rhythms of the steel pan. MJICC's audience loved and welcomed the merging of these instruments. At the request of His Excellency Mr. Sahu, MJICC's tabla teacher Mr. Arshad Khan then brought in other instruments such as the tasso drum, African drum, saxophone and violin, beautifully fusing together. We now welcome to the stage Mr. Arshad Khan, MJICC's tabla teacher on the tabla, Mr. Hanif Goodrich and Akil George on the steel pan, Mr. Everell Watson on the African drums, Mr. Deepak Manohar on the tassa, Mr. Narendra Maharaj on the saxophone, and Mr. Sachin Budram on the violin. Please give the Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Cultural Cooperation's Fusion Band a round of applause. What an outstanding performance by the MGICC's Fusion Band. Another round of applause, please. As we prepare to close this evening's program, I would like to invite the director of the Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Cultural Cooperation, Mrs. Ramya Ajay, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Namaste to one and all gathered here to celebrate with us the festival of lights, Diwali. Diwali is the festival which burns the bad memories and lights up the way for happiness. I'm here to spell out the words of thanks to all those who made this evening filled with sweet memories and happy memories to carry home. First and foremost, I want to thank our High Commissioner, Mr. Arun Kumar Sahu, for being the guiding force behind this whole event. Thank you, sir, for all your support and encouragement. I thank all the dignitaries, distinguished guests, friends and family for gracing the event with their presence and making the joy of our celebration double. I want to thank my co-officers from the High Commission of India for their help and support in organizing this event. Thanks to all performers of the evening for entertaining and giving us a great show and making this day memorable. I take this opportunity to thank my teachers, that is MGICC teachers, Mr. Arshad Khan and Ms. Sriranjani Umesh for giving their best each and every time we do an event. Thank you to AJ Sound Company for sound systems and Infinite Light Solutions for the lights and Mr. Lal for the videography. Last but not the least, my heartfelt gratitude to all the local staff from the High Commission of India and MGICC for their constant effort to make the event grand success. They are the backbone of every event organized by High Commission of India and MGICC. Thank you so much. Let this Diwali bring endless joy in all our lives. May you all have wonderful year ahead, full of new success and achievements. Thank you. Jai Hind.